All right, you're probably familiar with this. Our headphone use has increased over the years. So how damaging is it to your hearing? In our series with UT physicians, a look at the signs of hearing loss and when to get your hearing tested. During the pandemic, more and more of us were plugging in to tune in, video chats, listening to music. For kids, remote schooling. Audiologist Dr. Audrey Taylor with UT Physicians says increased headphone and earbud use means people should be more proactive about saving their hearing.
Once we've lost our hearing due to noise damage, then that is something that unfortunately we cannot get back.
Dr. Taylor says while significant hearing loss can happen after a single incident, it more commonly happens over time. It's why volume isn't the only factor when it comes to protecting your hearing.
A good rule of thumb is something called the 80-90 rule, meaning that we don't want to turn the volume up past 80% for more than 90 minutes. It's not just how loud sound is, it's also how long you're listening to it.
Dr. Taylor suggests using a device with a good seal. Noise-canceling headphones can prevent someone from having to turn up the volume. And since hearing loss can also put someone at a higher risk of cognitive decline, she encourages people to see a medical professional if signs of hearing loss become more significant.
Signs of hearing loss can be someone saying what or asking for things to be repeated. You may also notice, especially with kids, maybe they're not following instructions as well as they should be. And, other things that we can notice is they're tempted to turn the volume up, maybe on the iPad or on the TV. If you have any concerns about your hearing, whether you be missing things and kind of having to try harder to follow along with conversation, or maybe you hear some ringing or buzzing, like some tinnitus in your ears, I definitely would recommend getting checked out by your local audiologist.
You're probably wondering about this, but Dr. Taylor says there is no difference between headphones and earbuds when it comes to hearing loss. One is not worse than the other. For more on our series with UT Physicians, go to khou.com/healthmatters.